Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 1087 Trevor Run in Victor.
This is a spectacular architect design showcase.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this grand two-story foyer with transom windows, side lights, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the living room with a bay window and an adjacent side entry, all with plantation shutters and a powder room.
This is a totally new designer white and bright kitchen, featuring soft close cabinetry by Wellborn, stainless steel appliances, a farmhouse sink, and a center island with a breakfast bar. Open to the dining area with a wall of windows and patio access. And a living area with a gas fireplace and a large picture window, all with beautiful hardwood floors, 9-foot ceilings, and great natural light. This is the ultimate industrial style finished lower level with a bonus room with built-in shelving and an egress window, plus a theater room perfect for enjoying a movie or the big game.
The upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms with beautiful hardwood floors, 2 full bathrooms, and a laundry, including this spacious owner's suite with a wall of windows with scenic skyline views, a walk-in closet, and a gorgeous full bathroom. This quality-built Morel home features exceptional architecture and craftsmanship.
Enjoy this private backyard from the expansive patio with scenic views. This rare premium lot is across the road from beautiful park area. Great for neighborhood fun. Nearby many parks, golf courses, Eastview Mall, and the town of Victor. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1087 Trevor Run in Victor.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!